we're going to make baked pumpkin seeds. Here I have a bowl of the seeds and pumpkin meat, a warm bowl of water and pumpkin seeds, helping me remove the pumpkin guts from the seeds. And here in the sink I have a bag of pumpkin guts. The seeds kind of grow in clusters inside the pumpkins, so you can pull them apart, usually 3 or 4 at a time, and I'm going to dump them in here. Remove the seeds, then I'll bake. I drained the water and patted them dry. Then I dried them in the oven for about 45 minutes on low. They should still be a little damp. I have a pan here with some foil covering it. You can use a lot of different seasonings. This year I used Trader Joe's 21 Seasoning Salute. Add the seasoning to some melted butter. Just simply take the seeds and coat them with the butter mixture. Make sure they get coated on all sides. Looks good. Let's get this in the oven. Here's our finished product. Crunchy, chewy, and good.